Imagine you're applying for a loan, a credit card, or even a job. What's one of the first things they'll ask for? Your credit score. Hook. But what if you've never used credit before? Or maybe you've had some financial hiccups in the past. Does that mean you're doomed to a life of financial obscurity? Enter Northone, a financial app that promises to help you build credit, even if you're starting from scratch. But does it really work? One of the biggest questions on everyone's mind is, does Northone report to credit bureaus? Let's start by understanding what credit bureaus are. They're basically companies that collect and store information about your credit history. This information includes things like your payment history, credit limits, and the types of credit you have. The three major credit bureaus in the United States are Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Northone's role. Now, back to Northone. The app works by providing you with a virtual credit card. When you use this card, your transactions are reported to a credit bureau. This is a great way to start building a credit history, especially if you've never had a credit card before. The reporting process. So, how does Northone report your transactions to credit bureaus? It's a pretty straightforward process. 1. Transaction tracking. When you use your Northone card, the app tracks your transactions. Point 2. Data collection. This transaction data is then collected and prepared for reporting. Point 3. Bureau submission. Finally, the data is submitted to a credit bureau for inclusion in your credit report. Benefits of Northone reporting. There are several benefits to having Northone report your transactions to credit bureaus. 1. Credit history building. As mentioned earlier, it's a great way to start building a credit history. Point 2. Improved credit score. Over time, consistent on-time payments can help improve your credit score. Point 3. Financial opportunities. A good credit score can open doors to better financial opportunities, such as loans, credit cards, and even jobs. Factors affecting reporting. While Northone does report to credit bureaus, there are a few factors that can affect how your transactions are reported. 1. Transaction frequency. The more frequently you use your Northone card, the more data will be reported to credit bureaus. Point 2. Payment history. Consistent on-time payments are crucial for building a positive credit history. Point 3. Credit limit usage. Keeping your credit utilization low, using less than 30% of your available credit, can also have a positive impact on your credit score. It's important to note that Northone is not a magic bullet. Building a strong credit history takes time and effort. Additionally, while Northone can help you start building credit, it may not be the best option for everyone. If you have a history of financial problems, you may need to take additional steps to improve your credit score. So, to answer the question, yes, Northone does report to credit bureaus. It's a valuable tool for anyone looking to build or rebuild their credit history. However, it's essential to use it responsibly and understand the factors that can affect your credit score. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.